Hi, this is Larry Lynch from Miramichi Online, and this tutorial is to teach our contributors how to use the blog to get their information on our site. First, go to Miramichi Online /WP-admin/ and that will take you to this login area. You probably have an email that we sent you with that link, so just follow that link. Once you're there, type in your username and password. And log in. And when you get there, you'll see our blogging interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see that there's an area where you can manage posts, media, and comments, as well as your profile, tools, and settings. For the time being, we're only going to talk about posts. There'll be other videos that will demonstrate how you can change your profile and change some of your settings. So to create a new post, you would click on Posts. And you'll notice that when you do that, you'll see other posts that are on our site, which you only have the capability to view. After you have posts of your own, you'll be directed to those posts which you can view, edit, or delete. So to create a new post, we go here, Add New Post. Now the four things that a post needs is a title. It needs some content, which goes here. It needs a category. It has to have a category. And it also needs a featured image, which is down here on the right-hand side. So let's start with a title. So we're going to give this thing a sample post title. And we're going to give it some content. This is some content. Not very good content. There, that looks a little bit better. So there we have our content. Now we need a category, so we're going to select a category that best suits our story. You can choose more than one category, so if you have a news story, you can select news. And if it's also about sports or something else, then you can select that as well. So I'll select two categories. And then we have to set a featured image. So to do that, you click this link that's just way at the bottom. It says Set Featured Image. You have to do this or your blog post won't draw the attention that the other blog posts will. So we select a file that has something to do with our story. Now, if I go to some pictures here, if I look at these photos, you can see that some of them are portrait style like this one, and some of them are landscape. Well, landscape photos or landscape oriented photos are always better because it fills the space better on the blog. So I'm going to choose a landscape photo like this. And what happens is your photo gets uploaded and it gets crunched, as they say it. It gets resized for the site and it creates a thumbnail at the same time. So the smaller your photos are, the quicker they upload. And once your photo is uploaded, then you can scroll down. There. We can scroll down and select this button that says Use as Featured Image. Okay, and once you've done that, you can X out of the Set Featured Image dialog box. And now you're ready to publish it. But if you want to see what it's going to look like first, you can always save the draft. That way you can come back and edit at some other point. And then you can select Preview. And by selecting Preview, it opens a new window and it shows you what your post will look like on the website. There it is. And your featured post, or your featured image, when you click on it, now it'll open up in its own box like that. Okay, so it's very simple. And once you've previewed your post and it looks the way you want, all you have to do is hit publish, and it goes to our website. So let's see what it looks like on our website. I'm going to hit publish. And then when I go to our website, miramichionline.com, you can see that it appears in the header up here, and our sample post appears here as well. And when I click on it, it looks just as it did for our preview. So it's very simple. And if you have any questions, you can always email info@miramichionline.com or call 210-0765, and we'll walk you through it. Thank you very much.